Welcome back to the Credit K YouTube channel where we talk about business credit, personal credit, finance, crypto, everything to help you level up in life. We about that. And we're back with another great business credit product, one of those elusive 0% interest products. You saw the thumbnail. Let's get into it. My GM rewards. For everyone who loves unlimited rewards, GM vehicles and other perks. That's my ad for GM. Kind of a Cadillac Chevy guy, so I rock with the GM brand. Let's talk about the card a little bit. They do have a personal side card. I'm going to talk about more of the business side today on this video. You see some of the details mirror each other, no annual fees, 0% interest, APR, I love those. 1% earnings purchases, up to 5% earnings purchase on the business side, and some other perks that may not be of interest, maybe. But let's get into some data points on the business card. And if this is something you guys are interested in, make sure you hit that like button, tap the subscribe button, because I go over these type products daily, and you don't want to miss out on the new product. Because once I drop them, and once they hit the internet, hit the YouTube circuit, these applications start to get bogged down. So you want to be the first to know when these type products launch. The data points around them and how to get qualified and how to get qualified for high amounts. So subscribe. So the business card, they do pull Equifax on the business, on the personal side. So it is a hard pull through Equifax. And I didn't see any data points on the business side, whether they look at Experian or whatnot. But everyone who has been approved with this card said it had a hard pull on Equifax. So you may want to have that unlocked. You may not. I haven't heard anybody had it frozen rather, and still been approved. So if you do have any data points around that, if you have any information, let me know in the comments down below. But 0% APR for 9 months, 13% to 23% after that. It's all depending on your scores. Low score I've seen approved through my FICO forums was about, I think it was 690. Somebody got approved on the personal Equifax score side and still got approved for this business card. New product, so I don't know if it's reporting on the personal side, but most of these markets, Goldman Sachs branded products, do not report on the business side. So, but we'll wait and see after we get some more months reporting and see what's going on with these cards. With a lot of rewards with GM, as you spend money, you get up to $2,500 towards purchase of a new vehicle. So if you spend a lot of money with your business and you're looking to purchase a new vehicle for your business, it's kind of a trade-off, one-in-one trade-off for you guys. So I'm looking to purchase a Cadillac. So they do have like a Cadillac branded card on the personal side, but I'm going in. And then one thing I do about the personal side, they do have a soft pull on the personal side. So I would try that. That's, and then like people say, a lot of the business cards don't have soft pulls, but a lot of the personal side does, and they mirror each other. So if you get pulled on the personal side for the soft pull and they deny you, then chances are you probably get denied on the business side. But if you do get approved on the personal side, then more than likely you will get approved on the business side as well. So go through the soft pull on the personal side on there. And actually, let's see if we can pull that up. We can find personal. See, this one is not coming up on this site, but I know this card does because I saw it going through another way. Let's see. All right, so here we go. We're still on the market site. Just went up to credit cards, went to the MyGM rewards cards. I went to the extended family card. I don't know what the hell that was. But this is what I was saying, that applying does not impact your credit score. So this is the soft pull for this. So if you're interested in the personal card, you can get the personal and the business, double dip on the rewards points, and possibly get up to $1,000 first purchase. The other one said 2,500, but at least get at least up to 2,000 towards a down payment on a new car. So I'm in the garden right now, but I think about 3 more months I'm going to apply for this Cadillac rewards and take advantage of the 9 months 0 interest. All right, so I'm not going to make this video too long. Definitely want to cover the business card, but always take advantage of the soft pull feature from the personal side. So go through there. If you get denied on the personal soft pull, then chances are you will have a negative chance of getting the business card, guys. So it's not play games, just not waste inquiries. And make sure you have the best chance of applying, best chance of approval, and best chance of getting the highest limits possible. All right. So next time, Credit K, we out.